And the first topic, which we are going to revise is division.
I'll be right back.
By 9. Namaste Tanvi. Tanvi, we are revising our first technique, which is division by 9. If the number is a two-digit number and it has to be divided by 9, then we write A as quotient and A plus B as remainder. This is the quotient and this is the remainder, right? Let us take an example. The example is 35 divided by 9. So we'll write 3 and then 3 plus 5 is 8. So 3 is the quotient and 8 is the remainder, right? If the number is a big number, say 2132 divided by 9, then I write 2, then 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, and 6 plus 2, 8. So this is my quotient and this is the remainder. Let me take another example in which I get carry. Say 4 to 5 divided by 9. So what I will do here, I will write 4. Then 4 plus 2 is 6. Then 6 plus 5 is 11, right? So when I take carry this side, what will happen? This will become 4, 7, and then this units place has to be increased by 1. So this is your quotient and this is your remainder, right? Let us take one more example. See the number. This time I am going to take big digits. 5874 divided by 9. So this is 5. Then 5 plus 8 is 13. And 13 plus 7 is 20. And then 20 plus 4 is 24. Now, first let us make this a regular number by sending the carry. This will become 0. 2 plus 3 is 5. And 5 plus 1 is 6. Now 2 and 4. Since I am sending the carry to this side, this 4 has to be increased by 2 and this becomes 6. Clear? Clear to everyone?
Can you explain how you got the 650?
6. Okay. You got till here?
Yes.
Here? Okay. Now we have to take one digit in each step. So I took 0 over here and this 2 went as carry, which made this 13 as 15. So I will write 5 and 1 again went as carry. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Got it, Tanvi?
I went to the bathroom. I didn't get that last part.
Which one? The same. Okay.
Yeah, I just didn't do the questions yet.
Okay, I take one more example to make this thing more clear. Let me take another big digit, another number with big digits. Let the number be 6854 divided by 9. So the first step is write 6 as it is, then 6 plus 8 is 14, then 14 plus 5 is 19, and then 19 plus 4 is 23, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now in the first step, I said I will send carry this side. So 9, then this 1 will go as carry, which will make this 14 as 15. So 5, 1 will go as carry, which will make this 6 as 7. We don't have to do anything when we send carry from this side, but when 2 comes as a carry from quotient, this 3 has to be increased by 2. So when 2 will come as carry, this will become 7, 6, 1, and then this 3 will be increased by 2. So 761 is quotient, 761 is quotient, and 5 is the remainder. Now this is clear.
Why did you have to increase 23 by 2? Why not 1?
When I send carry 1, then I increase the quotient by 1. When I send the carry as 2, I increase it by 2. Let us understand the concept behind it. Why we increase it by 1 or 2, right? You want to know the concept.
Yes.
Okay, okay, I will explain. Look, this is decimal system, right? And in decimal system, the base is 10. But you have to just send 9 over this side to increase it by 1. Getting my point? Since we are dividing by 9, so when the total becomes 9, the quotient must have been increased by 1. But this time we are sending 10. So we are sending 1 extra from this side. This is the reason why we add plus 1. Now here we are sending 2. That means we are sending 20. Instead we should have sent 18. So we are sending 2 extra. Therefore the units digit has to be increased by 2. Now got the point?
Yes.
Okay, so we will move to next technique. Next technique is division by 5. Then we will also cover 50, and then we will also cover 25. We'll cover these 3 techniques now. Let me make 3 columns. Okay, so the first is division by 5. In division by 5, we consider 5 as 10 upon 2. So if I have to divide the number 42 by 5, what I will do, I will multiply it by 2 and then place a decimal or point one place from the right. This is 8.4. So this can be done very quickly. 53 divided by 5. So you will double 53, it becomes 106, and then put a dot one place from the right. See, the number is 2432 divided by 5. So you are just going to double it, it becomes 4484, and then put a decimal one position from the right. I suppose this is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Okay, now the second, division by 50. Here too, 50 is considered as 100 upon 2. So what you have to do, you have to multiply the number by 2 and then put decimal two places from the right. Say if the question is 351 divided by 50, so you when you multiply it by 2, it becomes 702, or you can simply say 7.02. If the question is 95 divided by 50, so this becomes 5 into 2, 10, 190 by 100, or simply 1.9. If the question is 1137 divided by 50, you will take it as 2274 and then put decimal two places from the right. This is clear to everyone?
Yes.
No doubt about that? Great. Now the third one is division by 25. In this case, 25 is considered as, tell me, 25 is considered as, who is going to tell? No one. It's 100 upon 4. Okay, so in this case, what we have to do, we have to multiply it by 4 and then put decimal two places from the right. So this becomes 492 upon 100, or I can say 4.92. The next one, 2164 divided by 25. I'll quickly multiply it by 4. So 4 times 4 is 16, 1 carry, 6 times 4 is 24, plus 1 is 25, 5 2 carry, 4 times 1 is 4 and 2 carry, this becomes 6, 4 times 2 is 8. And then I will put decimal 2 places from the right. So this is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Very, very nice. Let me take one more example. Say the number is 24172 divided by 98. So what I will do, first I will make two column like this. I will write the last two digits this side, which is 72 and 241 this side. The number has to be divided by 98, so 98 will be written here, and the division of 98 is 2. Remember, don't put negative sign while writing the division. Now we can start the division process. The first step is to bring 2 down here. Now this 2 should be multiplied by 0. I will get 0 here. This 2 must be multiplied by this 2, so this becomes 4. In the second step, I will add 4 and 0, it's again 4. Now what I will do, I will multiply this 4 and 0, this becomes 0, and 4 and 2, this becomes 8. Now I will add 1 and 4 and 0, this becomes 5. In the next step, 5 times 0 is 0, and 5 times 2 is 10. Since I got the number under the last digit, so I will stop here. We will add 7 and 8, 15, and 10 plus 2, 12. First, this 2 will be written here, and this 1 will go as carry, which will make it 16. Right? Now this 1 has to be sent as carry this side. While doing so, this 245 becomes 246, and I have to add 1 times the division, and the division here is 2, so I will add 2 to this number. This becomes 64. This is the quotient and this is the remainder. Clear? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay, so this was what I planned to revise today. Now we will practice some question based on these techniques, and you will answer the questions in chat box privately to me. Okay, so first question, an easy one. 416 divided by 5. Anvi, your answer is correct. In this, we don't have to tell the remainder, Saranya. Your answer is also correct. It's 83.1, 83.2.
Okay.
You will just double, it becomes 832, and then you will put a decimal over here. 544. Arya and Tanvi, your answers are correct. 544 divided by 5. Anvi,
What did you say? I didn't hear you.
Anvi, your answer is also correct.
Okay.
Waiting for other two answers. Okay, let me tell you. You have to just multiply it by 2. 4 2 is 8. Then again 4 times 2 is 8. Then 5 times 2 is 10. And then I will put decimal 1 position from the right. So this is 108.8. 2162 divided by 50. Anvi, correct answer. Arya, correct answer. Aanchal, correct answer. Tanvi, correct answer. Saranya, this is a typo. You missed one digit. The correct answer is 43.24. All of you are getting right answer, which is very, very good. 1395 divided by 50. Anvi, a very small mistake of one digit. Yeah, now Anvi, your answer is correct.
Yeah, that was a typo.
Tanvi, your answer is also correct. Saranya, this is not correct. Your answer is coming in round figure, but it's not. So what you have to do, multiply it by 2. 5 times 2 is 10, 1 carry. 9 times 2 is 18 and 1 from carry, it becomes 19. 1 again carry. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 from carry, this becomes 7. 2 times 1 is 2, and then put decimal 2 places from the right. Three one two divided by 25. Arya, your previous answer is correct. Yes, Saranya, your answer is correct. Anvi, your answer is correct. Tanvi, your answer is correct. No, Tanvi, you have interchanged the last two digit. The correct answer is yes, Tanvi. Now your answer is correct. The correct answer is 12.48. Okay. Anvi, correct answer. Saranya, correct answer. I have written correct answer on the board. Okay, so the last question. 1252 divided by 97. For your help, I'm making okay. Now perform it yourself. Anvi, correct answer? This is 1. Then 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 3 is 3. Now I will add these two digits. So this becomes 2. 2 times 0 is 0. And 2 times 3 is 6. I got the digit under the last one. So the process stops. I will add these two. This becomes 88. So 12 is the quotient and 8 is the remaining. So this is clear to everyone. Now, if you wish to take screenshots of the board, you can take. This was first page. The second page. Third. And the last. Yes. So the technique is clear.
Yes.
Okay, we are left with just one more revision class before the test. So see you all next week in the last revision class before the test. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks.